What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes we'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Compound, abbreviation COMP. So yeah, I just wanted to do an analysis on this because I saw that it was relatively trending up in price at least. I mean, the volume is still stable at around 60 million. Those are normal values. If you look at like 7% of the market cap, that's pretty normal for 815 million market cap coins. And yeah, I'm a long-term holder of Compound as well, so I'm trying not to be biased. Might be a little bit. If you think I'm biased, I mean, that's also a little bit of your own trade-off. But yeah, I thought it was interesting to look at it. And Compound has actually suffered quite a bit from the bearish fundamentals the last like 2-3 months. And as you can see, we dropped down all the way from like the 300 levels all the way down to 130. So that isn't great. Compound also is a little bit inflationary, I think. If you look at it this way, that's a little bit, not necessarily a lot, and it's also limited in inflationary power. I mean, it can only inflate for something like 35% more, which I don't think it is going to do. So yeah, let's get into the analysis. First of all, 2 quick disclaimers. First one being that this is not financial advice. It's just my opinion based on a technical analysis. And second of all, this whole analysis is based upon the assumption that we remain in relatively stable markets. So if any big fundamental event or fundamental move happens, then please forget about the analysis. So yeah, what we did, I mean, what we're struggling with is this 135 level, basically the 382 fib of the recent bearish fundamental move, and we also got the 100 EMA there. Overall, a very strong resistance level. And I do think we can have somewhat of an uptrend. I do think Compound deserves it, and I mean, it doesn't really matter what I think, whether it deserves it or not, but if we look at the technicals, you see some quite bullish momentum in the price, quite different from what's happening right now. It's actually been there for like the 31st of January. Obviously, last day or last 2 days, we had some more bearish moves kicking in, but now if we actually get down to 125, and from that level we get a really nice break retest, so something like this and something like this, then I actually think we can get up. And the main technical catalyst, of course, is looking to break that 135 level. So if we break that 135, we'll probably find resistance at 143, but if we close above 135, then I actually think we can get even higher, with my next price target being 150. 150 is also a psychological resistance level. Together with that, there's a key level there. The 200 EMA will probably line up, and a 618 fib. So that will probably be something like this. But as I said, that really relies upon the condition that we get a really nice bullish touch off of 125. If we don't, so if you go to 125 and we go up to 130 and actually find resistance again at 130, then we're probably going to drop down to 120 again. And from that 120, I do think we will start an uptrend again, but it will be more like something like this. Maybe first consolidate a little bit, and then it's just going to take a little while longer before starting an uptrend again. And I mean, it doesn't really matter for me because I'm a long-term investor in Compound, but if you're a trader, that's just not it's just not very nice to have. So yeah, that's basically my full analysis on Compound or the COMP token. If you do have any questions about the analysis, then as always, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.